Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 6,763 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering on the screens, that's just in camera, not in person. Beautiful interior, non-smoker, still smells new. No heads-up display, no rear view camera mirror, anything like that. Just over 6,000 miles. I'm sure she drives perfect, but we'll do a quick road test here. Sure, we don't need to go far. Alignment's perfect, steering wheel's nice and straight. Shift's perfect. Like I said, no complaints. Beautiful, beautiful car. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So looking at the car, there's no PPF on here anywhere. Date code on all 4 tires is 2023. Looking at the front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks good. Bright red calipers. Really, really nice. And I like that they're not the one that's more of like a ruby red. This is actually like race red on race red, so it looks really good. Checking out the fender, it's in great condition. Side mirror looks amazing. I do see a rock chip right here on the A-pillar. The rest of that looks good. Do see a couple hard water spots throughout the car. Pretty subtle though. Little dimple right there, just from the factory. Looks good. Edge nice and clean. A lot of these get beat up here on the edge. That one looks good. All of that looks nice. Feeling the edge of that's nice and clean. Quarter panel looks good. I don't see any rash there. Got the window tint here, nice and clean there. Nothing on the front windshield. No, this is a super common thing on these cars. I'm not quite sure what it is, but you're gonna see those little lines there, almost like some moisture in the headlight, and it kind of stained it or something. Literally see this on a ton of them, and you have to be in that perfect lighting to see it though. You can see it on that one as well. Has to be some sort of factory defect. Looking at the hood, a couple little water spots. It's really clean though. Like I said, no PPF. That front end looks really, really good. I'm sure there's a couple rock chips, but nothing really stood out to me. Here on that splitter, some really light rash right there. It's very subtle. You're gonna have a little bit here. A little bit on that lower edge, and then looking at that front, you're going to see where bugs kind of splattered and they etch into that gloss black. Very subtle though. Beautiful, beautiful front end. Like I said, there's probably a couple little rock chips, but nothing's really standing out to me. Fender looks good. Checking out that wheel, nice and clean, no curb rash. Door looks good. Side mirror looks amazing. Just kind of scanning through all of this. I don't see any rock chips there. All of the edge is good. Same there. Not seeing any flaws. Like I said, if you get up close, you're going to see a couple hard water spots. That's an easy fix though. You can do paint correction on here and get it tip top. That is a service we offer as well. That looks good. That wheel looks nice. Looks good there. Really not seeing any damage on this car. You know, looking for big gashes, chips, and things like that. it is really, really clean. They definitely took care of this car. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, checking out the interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Still smells new, looks new. Beautiful black leather with the red seat belts matching the red paint and the red calipers. Real tasteful, super clean. Beautiful, beautiful car. Looking at that door panel, looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws. Bottom's not all scuffed up. A couple little scuffs on that trim, super common. That bolster looks good. Same with that edge. Beautiful matte finish to it. Looking at the steering wheel, that looks good. I mean, not much to pick apart. Kind of a base model here. We'll put the window sticker in the photo section, and of course check out the description for all the options. But she looks new, smells new. Beautiful, beautiful car. Here on that door panel, I don't see any flaws. Looks really good. A couple light scuffs on the trim. Carpets are nice and clean. That bolster looks amazing. Same here. Love the seat belts. They look really good. Upper side of the seat looks good. Really no flaws there. This side of the dash, perfect. Looks like a brand new car over here. Just kind of scanning through all of this. Looks amazing. All that's nice and clean. Underside of that looks perfect. And then this comes with the car as well, the front brake cooling deflector kit. Looks like it was never installed. Comes with the paperwork.